Hello student, class 8, exercise 2.4, question number 7. Hans Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, अगर 3 मीटर शर्ट है तो he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit. He sell the material, शर्ट का material 12% profit है and the trouser का 10% profit, 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Now in question the hint is given कि let material purchased for shirt, अगर शर्ट का 3 मीटर है तो पैंट के लिए 2 मीटर है, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि लेट तो टोटल मटेरियल, तो लेट द मटेरियल परचेज फॉर शर्ट इज एज 3x मीटर and therefore material purchased for trouser is 2x meter. Now they have given the cost also is given, cost for shirt material is rupees 50 per meter. Therefore cost for trouser material is given rupees 90 per meter. Now this information is given in the question and they also given the profit percentage for shirt is 12% and profit percent for trouser is, for trouser the profit percent for trouser is given 10%. Okay, now they have given us this the cost also. तो first we find the profit percent दिया है, तो first we find the profit on shirt material, that is what is 12%, what is the cost of the shirt is 50, so that will come into 50, 12%, 12 upon 100 into 50, 0 0 cancelled, 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 6, so 6 rupees is profit. Now we find the profit on trouser मटीरियल, ट्राउज़र के मटीरियल पे प्रॉफिट इज गिवन 10%, 10% ऑफ व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्राउज़र इज 90 रुपीज़, तो वी फाइंड 10 upon 100 into 90, 0 0 cancel, this just cancel, 1 9s are 9 rupees, so this is our profit. Now we can find the selling price also, because our question is कि we have to find कि how much trouser material did he buy, तो profit is given. Now we find the selling price of shirt material. What is the selling price of the shirt material? The selling price we can get profit plus cost price. Profit on shirt is 6 rupees and the cost price of the shirt is rupees 50. So selling price we got 56 rupees. Now we got the selling price for shirt material. That is 56 rupees for per meter. Now we can find selling price for trouser material. Again profit plus cost price. Profit for trouser is rupees 9 and cost price for the trouser is 90. If you add both the 99 rupees per meter. Now we got the meter also, and in questions it is given total sale is 36,660. That was the total sale. Total sales is 36,660. So now we got total sales means total. Now total sale is given 36,600 and we got total sale means selling price of shirt is 56 and the selling price of trouser is 99 but our ratio how many material कितना था 3x for shirt and for trouser is 2x meter. So will be multiply with that. The 56 is 3x and the 99 is 2x and total is 36600. Now 3 6 are 18, 115 and 116. So it is 168 plus 2 9s are 18, 1 2 9s are 18, 20, 200, 18 1 198 x is equal to 36600 and this is x. Now if you add this both 168 198 you will get 16 1 9 10 16 1 366 x is equal to 36600. Now this will be divide. Now we'll do cancellation with table of 6. 6 6 are 36. Okay, we can take this and this as 1 1 and this 0 will come. So x is equal to 100. We got the 100. Now we have to find the length of the trouser material कि कितना कपड़ा लिया था. The length of trousers materials. The कितनी थी length 2x. Okay, so 2 will be multiplied by 100. So it is 200 meter. We got our answer. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.